Dear students, you already find a formula which is called quadratic formula. Okay, so what is that formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Okay, so here this is called the quadratic formula, and from here this part is called the discriminant. Which one is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. This is called the discriminant of quadratic equation. Now what is discriminant? In this the discriminant, you can find out the nature of the roots. How will be the root? If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then what is the nature of the roots? They are two distinct real roots. Then you find two distinct real roots. Okay? If you find b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then what is the nature of the roots? The roots are two equal real roots. That means the values should be equal. Both the values in quadratic equation, you always find two roots, and whenever you find b square minus 4ac, then you get always two real equal roots. That means both the values should be equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then what will be the nature of the roots? You find no real roots. Then in that case you can't find any roots. So for that, first of all, you can find the nature of the roots. If you find this one, the nature of the roots, if you find b square minus 4ac less than 0, then in that case you can't find any roots, and in that case no need to find the roots of that quadratic equation. Okay, see exercise how you can check the roots. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. What is given? Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. If you find only the real roots, you find that if this condition, then you have to find the roots. So how can you check it? The nature of the roots. First one is given, twice x square minus thrice x plus 5 equal to 0. Clear? So in this case, what is a? Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to 5. Okay? So now you can find the discriminant. Okay? That is b square minus 4ac. This one you have to find out. The value of b is minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c. So it is 3 3s are 9 minus 40. Okay. This is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. Clear? So what you find? Less than 0, the condition is no real roots. So therefore there is no real roots. Clear? So you can't find here any value for x. So no need to find the roots. Clear? Next, another one, I can check it. The example, say 2. What is given? Thrice x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to 3, b b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c equal to 4. Clear? Therefore, discriminant d equal to 4 square, b square minus 4ac. So, minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So, after calculation, you can find 48 minus 48. So, this is equal to 0. Therefore, what you find? Two real roots you can find out. Clear? So, you can apply here to find the roots any method by factorization method or by quadratic formula or by completing the square. Any method. After that, after checking this one, you can find the roots of the equation by any method. Okay. Next, question number 2 is given that find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two real roots. It is given, already given the conditions. What is the condition? They have two real roots. Okay. So, if they have two real roots, then question number 2, what is that is the equation is given twice x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to k, c equal to 3. Given, what is given? Two real roots are there. This is given. So, when there is two real roots, then discriminant is what? Discriminant b square minus 4ac. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is the condition for two real roots. So, put the value k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. So, k square equal to 24. So, what is k? K equal to root over 24. This is equal to 2 root over 6. So, k equal to 2 root 6. Okay. This plus minus. This is the answer. So, like that you can find the value of k. Okay.